Creating a compliance report is tough. Hiring a compliance officer is expensive, and most experts only specialize in 1 or 2 frameworks. MeuQuip is here to fix this problem. With MeuQuip, you can generate a full compliance and governance report in minutes. Just sign in, upload your file, and go to the compliance check section. Choose from more than 15 global frameworks. Select your file and click on Run Compliance. In seconds, MeuQuip runs a full compliance analysis. No delays, no extra cost. Now download your compliance report, ready to share. Your report is structured and detailed, including methodology, classification, executive summary, findings, governance gaps, and a clear conclusion. This is how MeuQuip is revolutionizing the compliance reporting process. Smarter, faster, and accessible to everyone.